Lots of you have been asking me how to download and install Windows 10 on your PCs. Well, if you have been looking for a video like that, then this video is for you. My name is Dean. On this channel, I give you tips, tricks, and hacks. You want to turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's get started.
Din Life Tech.
This process contains two parts. In part 1, we create our USB bootable device, and in part 2, we use our bootable device to install our operating system with. So just stay focused and watch the video to the end because we wouldn't want to skip a single step. Starting with part 1, creating our USB bootable device. In order to do this, you need a USB of at least 8GB as recommended. Before we jump right into the process, I would like to tell you that if you have any stops, any files found in the USB flash drive, I would advise you to back up all your data found in the USB flash drive because during the process of creating that USB bootable device, everything is going to be wiped off. So back up all your files before you start this process.
Head on to your browser and type Windows 10 Media Creation Tool USB. Scroll down and select Download Windows 10. All links of this video will be in the description box below. So as you can see, you can either choose to update your Windows or create Windows 10 installation media. So I'm just going to go with create Windows 10 installation media. Click on download now and the download process will start immediately. So once it's finished downloading, go to your files. As you can see, this is the media creation tool we just downloaded. Double click to open it. Getting few things ready. Applicable notices and license terms. Accept. Okay, here they say, what do you want to do? You have two options here, upgrade this PC now or create installation media. Well, for that upgrade this PC now, if you're having like a lower version of Windows, maybe Windows 8, you can upgrade to Windows 10. But we are just going to go with create installation media. Select language, architecture and edition. Choose which media to use. We have USB flash drive or ISO file. We'll go with USB flash drive. It says that it needs to be at least 8GB, so that's what I was saying. USB needs to be at least 8GB. So if your USB is at least 8GB, then you're good to go. Select a USB flash drive. Well, as you can see, mine already had Windows 10 inside. I already put it to Windows 10. It's not still a problem because it's just going to wipe off everything that's inside the flash drive. So next. Downloading Windows 10. It says feel free to keep using your PC. So you can still be using your computer while this process is going on. You can just minimize. Well, this process will take quite some time depending on your internet speed.
So while we wait for our Windows 10 to download and create our installation media, well, this process can take quite some time depending on your internet speed. Just take some seconds of your time to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you are new.
So now it's creating Windows 10 media. Just going to fast forward. So guys, as you can see, it says your flash drive is ready. So we have successfully booted our USB flash drive to Windows 10.
Now we have created our USB bootable device, it's time for part 2 to use that bootable device to install Windows 10 operating system in our PC.
So before we start this process, make sure your computer is plugged on charge because if it turns off, it will disrupt the installation process. After that, plug your USB flash drive. So immediately as you turn on your computer, keep pressing on the F12 key. This is to enter the boot menu. Well, it depends on the kind of computer you're using. For HP computers it's F9, for some computers it's F8, while for most computers it's F12. So keep pressing on the F12 key. Once you see the option menu, you stop. Use the arrow keys to move up or down. You see USB hard drive. Select and press enter. Windows setup. Here choose your language, then next. Install now. Activate Windows. Where at the bottom you see I don't have a product key. Select that and next. Select the operating system you want to install. Select Windows 10 Pro. I accept the license terms. So here it says, where do you want to install your Windows? So as you can see, these are the different partitions that were in the hard drive. So what we'll do is delete everything. When you're done, click on next. Installing Windows. So this may take some time. Just relax and wait for your Windows to finish installing. So guys, at this step, just follow the process. Language, United States. Want to add a second keyboard layout? Skip. I don't have internet. Continue with limited setup. Accept. Not now. So guys, as you can see, when you are done with that process, it says hi. Voila. So guys, as you can see, we have finished our installation. We have finished installing our Windows 10.
So guys, if you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel to join the family as we move to 2K subscribers. Leave your comments at the comment section. You can get to me directly on WhatsApp through the first link in the description box below. If not, which video do you want to see next? Thanks for watching, and until next time, let's keep in touch. See you in the next one.